To compose a new email in Gmail, open your Gmail inbox at gmail.com, mail.google.com, or mail.yourdomain.com. In the left sidebar, click the Compose button. A new email opens near the bottom corner of your Gmail window. Choose a window size that's right for you using the buttons in the upper corner of the Compose window. The double arrow with a shift and click will open in a new window. It's a pop-out that you can resize or move around your screen. Start by typing in the email address of the person that you'd like to address your message to. Notice carbon copy and blind carbon copy is also available here. I have another video where I'll go over sending from another email address in G Suite. If you haven't configured this, then the from might not be showing. Give your email a subject briefly describing what your message is about. In Gmail, conversations are grouped this way. In the body of your message, you can type, add links, attachments, emphasize key points with font styles, and include different kinds of recipients and more right from the Compose window. Here are the formatting options for the body of our text. Font styles include font, size, bold, color, alignment, bullets, and indents. Whatever you select will apply your font. You'll also have options to insert attachments, insert files from Drive, add images, add links, insert emojis, delete the message that you're composing, and you'll have options from the More Options menu, the down arrow on the right. From here you can default to full screen, check your spelling, and apply a label, view the message in plain text mode, or print it. I'm going to add an image into my email here from Google Photos. So I'll just click this Insert Photo icon. Then I'll have access to all my photos from Google Photos, and I can go to Albums here and maybe select an image right from here. So I'll choose Insert. This email will always be saved in drafts until I delete it, and I can delete it by clicking the trash can on the lower right of the message. When you're ready to send your message, click Send. If you made a typo or change your mind about sending the message, you have a few seconds to undo this. And I made another video about the undo send feature. But for now, let's just take a look at our sent message. All of the email that you've sent will be stored in your sent mail folder. If you're offline a lot, I have another video called Gmail Offline in a Chrome browser. You're welcome to check that. In my next video, I want to talk about replying to messages in Gmail.